Punta yun. Franz. Tingin kay mama ha. Kay mama.
Today is a very
special day for us.
we may be
My baby small,
but our dreams
my dream
are big.
are big.
Thank you, teachers,
Thank you, teachers,
for teaching us.
teaching us.
Thank you to our
Thank you to our parents
for loving,
for loving
supporting
and supporting
us
us
every day.
every day.
As we move on,
As we move on from
to continue learning,
continue learning,
dreaming,
dreaming,
and
doing our best.
congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations all of us. Thank you and God bless.
Tapos.
Thank you very